Oh, I don't think I've ever had this TV before, so it's a 42 inch, and normally I get the 701 or the 706, but this is a 42, not a 40. So the buttons there. The model number. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Right, I'll just get a mains cable for it. I think I found the code and it's 1536. So that seems to be working. So let's see what the menu is. HR settings, standard. I definitely haven't had this menu before. It's really bright in here. I'll just reset that. And it looks like it already was on reset. And we've got backlight control, active backlight control, active option, DNR, I'll put that on low, sound.
Yes, here I am at the Canterbury campus at the University of Kent. Earlier this morning, about 6:30, there was about 200 people filing into this sports centre to get their meningitis B vaccine. When I spoke to a number of them, what they said was they wanted to protect themselves, but also to protect their friends and family. Many of them are students who will be going off to their homes around the country over the Easter holidays and so don't want to spread the infection. Wes Streeting, the Health Secretary, has today been thanking health officials here at the University of Kent for rolling out the vaccine for this limited group of people to get the vaccine, and saying that they did very well in getting it set up and rolled out so quickly. Also, the family of the young girl who died, Juliet Henning, who is aged 18, has also called for a wider rollout of this vaccine for young people. At the moment, the vaccine is only available to babies, and that was set up in 2012.
Yes, so it works anyway.
But again, has been thanking staff today. Thank you very much, Rina Anger in Canterbury.
Let's see if this one works. Yep. Alright. Unplug it in, see what happens. Do we get a signal? Let's hope we do. Plugged in. Turn the box on. Got a light. Does this control work? No, it doesn't work. Right, does this one work? Sure. That's Toshiba, I think. Alright, let's push the button in. Yeah. HDMI. Oh, so it's got that menu. HDMI. No signal. Let's try HDMI 2 then. Oh, nothing on the HDMI. I'll try this one. No signal. Oh, come on.
What the government means by not getting dragged in is that they want to stick to so-called defensive
None of the controls are working, so I have to put one in on the Sky control now.
Pretty much all of the opposition parties in Westminster now believe that, contrary to what the government says, the UK is getting further dragged into this.
See if I can get the Sky control on it. Good news is that HDMI is working with the Roku, as you can see there. Put in the Roku stick, HDMI is going now. Let's update it and get the Roku stick going. Got my control. We'll go update and we'll let it update. So HDMI 1 seems to be okay.